If your newly seeded lawn came in looking great and now it's looking kind of sad, don't worry, that's totally normal. And if you're new to DIY lawn care, let me just say, welcome to the emotional roller coaster. You plant some seeds, you feel like the backyard hero, and then 2 weeks later you're Googling, is my lawn dead? You're not alone. Let's talk about the sprout and pout phases of seeding. You seed, you water, you wait, and then those little green blades start popping up and it's like, yes, we've got grass. That's the sprout phase, when things are looking up, but soon after comes the pout. A couple of weeks in, your lawn might look pale, patchy, or even like it's dying. That's the pout phase. And here's what's really going on. Your grass is redirecting energy to grow roots instead of the blades. It's not dying, it's digging in. Think of it like a teenager, awkward, moody, but growing like crazy underneath the surface. Tall fescue sprouts fast, like 5 to 10 days fast. Its pout is shorter, but still noticeable. You might see yellowing as it builds that deep root system. Kentucky bluegrass takes its sweet time, 14 to 30 days just to sprout. And the pout, it can last weeks. But it's worth it because once it's rooted, the grass spreads and thickens beautifully. So let me give you a few tips on what you can do. Keep watering consistently, just enough to stay moist. Avoid heavy fertilizer, especially nitrogen. Go easy on the foot traffic. And most of all, don't freak out. The phase is temporary, but the roots it's building will last all season. So if your lawn's looking rough right now, hang in there. That pout phase, it's actually progress in disguise. Stick with it and you'll see the payoff. Subscribe for more lawn tips and I'll catch you in the next video.